Thanks for checking out this video. It's the next one in the series of circuits from the Electronics Learning Lab from RadioShack. And this one is using a 272 dual op amp as a preamplifier and an LM386 as a power amplifier for driving the speaker over here. So we have the 272 chip and the 386 setup. We have the gain being controlled by this 1 million potentiometer here, and the volume over here. Okay, so what else do we have? We have a 0.001 microfarad ceramic capacitor here. We have a black-brown, which is a 100 ohms resistor. What else? We have a brown-black-orange, which is a 10K resistor. And a 470 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. We have the headphones connected to this DP-DT switch. And these are, this headphone will be sitting on the seat next to me with this, whoops, let me get some length on this cord here, with this Baofeng radio. So if I turn this unit on,
frequency mode.
Those are just the 2 meter settings I have, but if I press this switch over here, okay, we hear some awesome radio. So the headphone's going to be, and that's sitting on the seat with the earpiece, which is acting as a microphone. So what all this will do is this is a circuit that is a super sensitive op-amp audio amplifier. It also says in the parentheses you can listen to ants with this. So they said the squeaking sounds produced by angry fire ants could be easily heard when the earphone was placed on their mound. I'm not that brave to do that, so I'm going to use the radio. And when I tested this one before I made this video, it's extremely loud, which is actually pretty cool that it could amplify it that loud. I was actually surprised. So what we'll do is we'll turn this unit on, and then I'll flip this switch to activate the earpiece, and I'll play with the gain a little bit, play with the volume over here. But again, the earpiece, which is the microphone, will be resting on top of the speaker of that Baofeng handheld radio. And so I will have the microphone of my phone, of the camera, down near the speaker over here, so you should be able to hear the radio from that, if that made any sense. Okay. In person, I think you can hear it better because it just seems there isn't as much distortion for some reason. With my ear down to this speaker, I can hear it a lot better in person than my tests before I made this video. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what happens. Let me turn on the little radio, the Baofeng. And now I'm going to put the earpiece next to it. And now I'll play with the gain and the volume over here. But I'm going to put the camera by the speaker over here. Okay, enough of that. I appreciate it if you listen this long. Like I said, it's really loud. There's lots of distortion. It gets really loud. But I think a couple of those times I, changed the settings with the potentiometers over here. You were able to hear the radio from the speaker pretty well, or somewhat well. Got my sweat all over the speaker. It's really hot here. Okay, so yeah, it says if the microphone is near the console when the amplifier is on, you may hear a loud squeal. This is oscillation caused by the feedback when some of the output signal is detected by the microphone and re-amplified. The solution is to move the microphone away from the console or turn the speaker volume down. Yeah, of course, turn the speaker volume down. It says if the sound quality seems harsh, you could add a second capacitor here across this capacitor. So I might do that. I probably won't make a video of it, but I might do that to, see if the sound quality improves. But anyways, I was pretty impressed of how loud it actually is. It is really loud in person. I think maybe over this video it shows how loud it is too. So the next video, the next circuit is adding an LED signal strength indicator to the amplifier. So maybe we can make it a little more bells and whistles. But anyways, thanks for watching this. This was a super sensitive op-amp audio amplifier. And that's all I got. So I will see you next video. Bye-bye.